Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. XRP is actually literally more popular than crypto. This coming from Altcoin Daily here on Twitter, and this is according to Google Trends. Guys, take a look at this. The trends from Google Trends, and this is just in the United States over the past 90 days, but the search term for crypto is over the last month has been going up clearly, but the search term XRP has been skyrocketing, obviously more popular than crypto. Now, this is obviously because we've seen XRP rocking and rolling during the month of November. This is the weekly chart, and since the 4th, okay? So let's go from November 4th. XRP is up almost 400%, 376.71%, not even the entire month. And it did reach a high, guys, of $2.50, going up 397%. So almost 400% just in a month alone. You guys can see volume is rising on XRP, but the beauty of this is that volume is still not that much. When you compare that to the 2021 numbers, look at the volume, okay? I'm just going to go back. I'll check this out. The volume, it's unfortunate that it's hidden by these icons, but you can see the volume hiding behind there. Now you compare that with the volume that we saw back in 2021, which, was a lot. We were in the throes of the bull run at that point. Volume was rocking and rolling, but XRP could not get up past $2. We did hit that milestone yesterday, so all very, very positive, and I'm not surprised that we are seeing XRP here spike in popularity. XRP did skyrocket yesterday to an outstanding $2.49 market value for the first time since January 8th, 2018. The 6-year, nearly 7-year high comes as wallets with 1 million to 10 million XRP. So pay close attention. 1 million to 10 million XRP have accumulated 679.1 million tokens. So I'll tell you right now, that's not me, and that is probably not you either. Currently, guys, these are worth $1.66 billion, okay, and that was in just 3 weeks. Also, total non-empty XRP wallets have eclipsed 5.5 million for the first time in the coin's 8+ year history. So these are unprecedented numbers. This marks several new milestones for XRP, 1 to 10 million XRP wallets and 679.1 million since November the 9th. So XRP really rising in status. Of course, it's getting the crypto traders caught off guard too, I'm sure. As I was discussing this morning, XRP did actually surpass, yesterday briefly, it did surpass Tether in the number 3 spot. Right now it is sitting though at number 4, but it is not too far behind Tether. And you guys can even see the numbers are, if I refresh that, maybe it'll surpass. No, it's not surpassing Tether, even though it is saying that XRP does have currently a higher market cap than Tether at the moment. Nevertheless, guys, this is just the beginning still. We are going to continue to see this rally into 2025. Again, that's just my opinion. For more information on what I'm doing this bull run, again, you guys can always follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for all the details. Posting XRP targets, going to be talking about Bitcoin, how the macro market moves, and when altcoins are finally going to see their blow off top. Patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. It is only $5 a month right now. That price will be going up. If you get in now, though, you will be grandfathered in, locked in at that $5 price point. We're going to ride this thing all the way to the top, so follow me on my trading journey. It's going to be a heck of a ride. Anders here posting this. Seems that the RLUSD may be released in the coming days. Now, we did recently just get news that they're talking about releasing the RLUSD. I think it was on the 4th, so that would be Wednesday in a couple of days from today. If you guys are watching this video on the day that I'm recording it and releasing it, RLUSD would be able to expand the USD global reach, especially by enterprises. Impeccable timing, wouldn't you agree? Part of the strategy here is preserving US dollar dominance. I mean, this has been the strategy for all US-based stablecoins, or US dollar pegged stablecoins, I guess I should clarify. US dollar dominance is falling to the wayside. BRICS nations are already trading with their own currencies. And so how is the US going to convince countries to trade in US dollars? I mean, to make it easy, if you have more and more stablecoins that are regulated, well, you can still trade by and large in US dollars. And the RLUSD coupled with XRP is going to help provide that convenience for other countries that are not the United States. Now, there have been rumors about this starting fairly recently, I think as early as yesterday. Vincent Van Code here posted this. I've heard Ripple may custody all of its escrow and swap it for RLUSD. They can mint RLUSD and sell them to their ODL former partners. So Ripple gets working capital and the XRPL gets a massive liquidity injection, and XRP circulating price stays lower. So now that you have heard this, it's not so crazy to think that XRP price could go to $1,000 per coin. Now, guys, a $1,000 price point for XRP would definitely mean that real world utility is behind XRP. That is to suggest that we would see the real world utility kick in 2025. When we're looking at technicals and just in terms of the technical analysis, I don't see XRP going to 1,000, but that is the X factor, the real world utility. That could get XRP up 3 digits, 4 digits, and beyond that. Cheese down here saying, it's not enough. I want to see a $10,000 token. Vincent Van Code here saying, it will happen. You will see. Imagine being able to custody your XRP, receive and spend USDT while your XRP is still locked away and increasing in value. Maybe the custodian will charge a small fee. And the best part is you don't even have to sell and never pay CGT. So is this part of a bigger plan? They said that they would back RLUSD with cash and cash equivalents. Would XRP be considered a cash equivalent? Vincent Van Code here saying, yes, but custody may only allow 70% of the value of XRP, factoring in a risk for decline. So that's the other thing, right? XRP is still a volatile cryptocurrency, still trading in a spec market. So guys, this is where the rumors are now circulating. This courtesy of Michael Branch. Speculation suggests Ripple could use XRP for its RLUSD reserve. So here is what we know right now. So we know about the regulatory approval of the RLUSD. For context, Fox Business reporter Eleanor Turret did confirm late last month that the New York Department of Financial Services was on the verge of approving the stablecoin for the launch. Amid the anticipation, market commenters have fueled the latest speculation in recent posts. Delgado, he suggested that Ripple might use its XRP escrow holdings to establish RLUSD's initial reserves. Delgado proposed that this move would allow Ripple to mint RLUSD, sell it to on-demand liquidity partners, and simultaneously unlock significant working capital for the company. Notably, if true, this approach could inject massive liquidity into the XRP ledger, potentially boosting the ecosystem's functionality. Furthermore, it could control XRP's circulating supply, reducing its total availability and bolstering deflationary pressure on the token. Well, we know Ripple is the largest holder of XRP, and we also know Ripple does have an escrow full of XRP where they have been releasing a set amount from the escrow every single month. Delgado asserted that such a move might drive XRP's price upward while enabling Ripple to provide liquidity without creating new tokens. Interestingly, these developments could have positive implications for Ripple and the XRP ecosystem. And I think this is where the $1,000 XRP rumor comes into play. Okay, this price surge has reignited discussions about XRP's potential to reach new heights. Delgado suggested XRP could reach $1,000 if Ripple's rumor strategy materializes. So we do know a few things. Ripple does hold a lot of XRP, and there is the escrow. We also do know that Ripple did say, I think it was confirmed that Ripple did say that XRP is that the RLUSD would be collateralized by cash and cash equivalents. So then the speculation becomes, does that mean XRP, as per what someone was asking here? Right, it was XR plus vet.xrp here. Fredostat, is XRP considered a cash equivalent? So then that begs the question, guys, are these rumors true? Dell here saying, rumors are swirling through the cryptosphere that Ripple might custody its entire XRP escrow and use it to establish the initial reserve for the RLUSD. You see how these things move fast? If true, this move would enable Ripple to mint the RLUSD, sell it to ODL partners, and unlock substantial working capital. At the same time, the strategy could provide a major liquidity boost for the XRPL while maintaining the circulating supply of XRP and significantly reducing its total supply. So that would be game-changing. Of course, that would help boost demand significantly for XRP. Fred here saying, if Ripple were to custody the entire XRP escrow to establish the initial reserve for the RLUSD, here's how it could potentially influence the price. So he says liquidity boost for the XRP ledger. And I'm just going to go over some of these topics because this is a fairly long post. I will link this in the description though for you. Also, demand increase via the RLUSD. There'd be more demand for that. Supply dynamics, guys. Supply and demand dynamics would come into play here. Obviously, the more demand there is and less supply, the price goes up. Perceived value in utility. I'm sure they're going to bolster this as such a great innovative solution to market problems that we're currently seeing. Market sentiment and speculation, and then economic incentives for XRP holders. So there are so many things here that that could materialize. At this moment, though, it is still speculation. But the market perception, if the market perceives this as just another way for Ripple to sell XRP, it could lead to bearish sentiment movement, counteracting any positive effects on price. But then there's the regulatory and economic risks. Any significant change in how Ripple manages its XRP could attract regulatory scrutiny, and I doubt Ripple would go for that. The overall effect on XRP's price, though, that would depend on how these factors play out in reality, the specifics of Ripple's strategy, and the market's reaction to these changes. Remember, while these points provide a theoretical framework, the actual market response can vary due to many external factors. So there we go, guys. So many factors to consider here. It is, it's an interesting theory. Be careful, though, says the Wrath of Kahneman. This unsubstantiated escrow rumor flies directly in the face of Ripple's RLUSD announcement that the token will be 100% backed by USD deposits, short-term US government treasuries, and other cash equivalents. Could that be XRP? That was the first question we were asking here. And this is just a screen grab from Ripple's original Insights blog from the announcement when they did announce the RLUSD originally. Ripple, the leading provider of enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, announced its plans to launch a stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. Ripple's stablecoin will be 100% backed by US dollar deposits, short-term US government treasuries, and other cash equivalents. Again, still a question mark above that. These reserve assets will be audited by a third-party accounting firm, and Ripple will publish monthly attestations. Wrath of Kahneman does post the reference if you guys want to read further. Monetary McFly here saying, I wholeheartedly agree. Cash, treasury, and repo collateral is a known situation for regulators. XRP is not, regardless of whether or not it's over-collateralized. This is not DeFi. On the other hand, the collateral backing the RLUSD could certainly be the tokenized version, which, if issued on the XRP ledger as well, would be a beautiful combination. So yeah, wondering more about this, wanted to thank Monetary McFly, of course, the Wrath of Kahneman, as well as Del Crypto and Fred Rerun Cherry here on Twitter, and of course Michael Branch for the original posting. Now, here is something that I think we should be paying attention to, considering the escrow release just occurred yesterday. This bears further consideration, another one from the Wrath of Kahneman. If November's escrow was returned about the same size as usual, but the volume of XRP at exchanges was going up fairly drastically, we don't have a direct line between escrow and retail, or we need to rethink our sense of scale. So as in other months, guys, 800 million XRP was returned back to escrow in December. So the 1 billion came out, 800 million was returned. So he was retweeting out Leonidas's tweet here. Interesting to say the least. Seems like the escrow is, working the way it should be. Now keep that in mind, okay? I'm going to go over Max Avery's tweet, and I kind of had these in the wrong order, but I want to go over this first before I tell you that last little bit. Getting back real quickly to the RLUSD and how it can affect XRP's price. So the more RLUSD transactions mean more activity on the XRP ledger. XRP is the native currency, obviously is used as that bridge. The XRPL excels at cross-asset transfers, and XRP is often the bridge between the RLUSD and other assets, driving more utility. Of course, the RLUSD issuance adds liquidity, more liquidity attracts traders, etc. The RLUSD could integrate with DeFi on the XRPL as well. XRP could power these apps and expand the use case and the relevance. Success breeds confidence. The RLUSD's adoption will signal XRPL's strength, boosting market sentiment for XRP. This can drive speculation and institutional interest, and I have a feeling that we're already seeing maybe a little bit of that. Stablecoins like the USDT and C have transformed networks like Ethereum and Tron. On Ethereum, USDT and USDC boosted decentralized exchange volumes and liquidity. Tron also did see something similar with the USDT on Ethereum. DAI is central to the lending protocols like Aave. If the RLUSD supports XRPL DeFi, XRP's utility will expand as the network grows. And stablecoins, guys, shine in remittances. So let's not forget that. The use cases of stablecoins is going to be big too. Stablecoins are a user-friendly entry into crypto. The RLUSD can lower barriers to entry and draw new participants to the XRP ledger ecosystem. Every RLUSD transaction burns a tiny amount of XRP, and over time, this decreases XRP's supply, adding scarcity value. Stablecoins historically boost their ecosystem, so essentially what this is saying, by boosting the XRPL ecosystem, guys, the RLUSD definitely does benefit XRP overall. More transactions, more utility, and more market confidence create upward momentum for XRP's value. So essentially, and I just summarized that, essentially though, I will link this in the description of the video. If you guys are interested, this is how we could in fact see how the RLUSD coupled with XRP will help boost the price and boost the utility for both cryptocurrencies essentially. But for XRP, more demand will be needed because the ecosystem will just become more active with the RLUSD's presence. So let's get back to what I was saying about Escrow earlier and how, well, as Leonidas has seen it here, 800 million XRP were returned back to Escrow. But guys, Marty Party yesterday did also post this. So when I posted this yesterday about Ripple unlocking 2 billion XRP, you all berated me that it's normal and that it happens every month. So why are they doing it again? This time, guys, it's another 2 billion. So that's 4 billion. So they've moved up from 1 billion to 2 billion. 4 billion now, XRP unlocked by Ripple in 48 hours. Things that make you go, Here it is from Whale Alert, guys. 200 million, then 300, then 500 million XRP. Why? And why did they do it twice? It used to only be 1 billion per month. I gotta say, I'm gonna keep my eyes on this, see if there's anything interesting that does develop. Of course, the RLUSD is coming very soon, as early as December the 4th. Ripple already has clearance to move on that. And so I should just remind you once again, Smoke posting this, it always was 2025 and always has been documented. Guys, we had the exploration and investment period for cryptocurrencies all the way back in 2015. Then 2016 to 2017, that was the early adoption phase. We finally saw growth between 2018 to 2024. And then 2025, that is going to be the maturity phase when blockchain adoption is considered mainstream and integral to the capital markets ecosystem. And 2025, guys, is 1 month away. So is it impossible to think the RLUSD could be launched in conjunction with this, helping to boost XRP price? This is why I'm eyeing 2025, where we could possibly see very high targets for XRP. And for more information on what I'm doing, what my targets are going to be, you can follow me for only $5 a month right now at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. That price will go up, so sign up now to be grandfathered in at that $5 price point. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.